Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how you can create an Amazon account without a phone number. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now you can go ahead and create an Amazon account in any device that you have, or you can even use the Amazon shopping app. I'm right here in our browser, and let's go ahead and click on sign in right here for us to be able to sign up. Now we have this option where it says create account, or if you're new to Amazon, so go ahead and select this. And as you can see, we can go ahead and add in our first and last name, and we can also add in our email or mobile number to connect for our account. We can just go ahead and add in create password as well, and then we can go ahead and click continue. Now for us to be able to create an Amazon account without a phone number, all we need to do is to add an email rather than a mobile number for us to go ahead and add in our credentials. And there you go. So just go ahead and add in your first and last name, add in your email, and create a password, and then click continue. And there you go. You'd be able to create an Amazon account without your phone number. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.